Today, we're making tacos on After School Snack Attack! Garrett, how do you make tacos?
We go to a street taco cart.
You first make the shell all nice and crispy. Like you fold it. It's a tortilla and you fry it a lot. Then you cut up all the meats, put it in there, the salad, and the cheese, all that stuff to make a taco.
Well, first we got to make sure our shells are nice and crispy. Then after that, we make sure we cut up all our ingredients that we want to add onto our tacos, such as tomatoes, cheese, cilantro, salsa. And then we cook the ground beef, which I think we just put it in the pan and fry it. And we got oil. What do you want to use? Beef or beef crumbles? Let's use the beef crumbles.
What is in this?
These are beans. You might use those later.
Black beans, potato beans.
Going down. These are meant for kids.
Finish him. Flavors will fall from one's hip.
Now I'm pouring it all the meat.
Oh. He wins!
Now we cut up all our condiments. Why are you giving that poor tomato a tattoo?
He likes it. Cilantro? Oh, I can break it.
Yeah, nicely flamed.
I think we have too many small pieces. Hakuna Matata. What a wonderful taco. Hakuna Matata. Ain't no passing me without getting eaten. There ain't no tacos for the rest of the day. They're already eaten in our belly.
Josh, can you hand me some more cilantro?
Sure, Garrett. That wasn't actually handing you it, but I guess that works. Give me a taste. It's good. Ooh. Garrett, it's not working.
What are you
Look,
doing?
they can't even cut anything.
That's a can opener. All right, now we gotta bake our tacos. Josh.
I got it. Hokey! Oh! I did it.
We have to eat those, right? You know that, right?
I think I heard it. I heard it.
Man, you tore the instructions, Josh.
What am I gonna do with all this cilantro?
Eat it.
No,
Right?
I can't eat it. Wait, it's all empty?
The shells are right here.
I want this.
That way we...
It's my destiny! Yes! I've done it, Garrett. I've done it.
Josh, what about all your cilantro?
Yeah, what about all your hard work?
Sure. Ah, that looks great. I'll eat this all day.
All right, it's time to make some dessert tacos. You
Let's
ready?
do this. Set, go.
Well, Josh, this is all our utensils.
A scooby dooby dabba dabba doodly day, yada doodly lap dap doodly day. Scooby doo.
It smells okay.
Blue. Blah. We need what? Green.
Let's see, Josh. I think I got this system down.
My taco's gonna be so cool and fun. It'll be unstoppable.
Don't forget, we gotta put meat in it, Josh.
Oh. I mean.
Did you meat it yet?
Yes, I put meat in there. I need a Swedish fish. Swedish fish. I need chocolate sprinkles. I did it.
Just to make it look original, I'm putting just some meat on it.
I have chocolate sprinkles, normal sprinkles, all the sprinkles in that container that I don't know the names of. I have ice cream.
Well, I got meat, ice cream, sugar cubes, jelly beans.
Where did oh.
Yeah. Nice. Oh, and I'm adding just some syrup. Just a little.
On 3. 1, 2, 3. Big bite.
My taco tastes terrible. I think I went wrong with this, and this.
Well, we made a mess of things again, it looks like.
Yeah, I think we're getting worse.
Hey, but it was good though.
And that's how you make tacos on After School Snack Attack. Oh my gosh, dang. Oh no, Garrett. No! This is scary! No! All right, we burnt the pancake. Let's start over.